Welcome to part 2 of 2.2 quadratic functions. Our essential questions are still, what information can we determine from the graph of a function, and what is a quadratic function? So, the minimum and maximum of a quadratic function. Consider the quadratic function f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. If a is greater than 0, then f has a minimum that occurs when x equals negative b over 2a. So this minimum value of f is f of negative b over 2a. So it's the y value of your vertex. Second part, if a is less than 0, then f has a maximum that occurs at x equals negative b over 2a. And this maximum value is f of negative b over 2a. So again, the y value of your vertex. In each case, the value of x gives you the location of the minimum or maximum value. The value of y, or f of negative b over 2a, gives you the minimum or maximum value. So this example, consider obtaining information about a quadratic function from its equation. So consider this function, f of x equals 4x squared minus 16x plus 1000. Determine, without graphing, whether the function has a minimum value or a maximum value. So you want to think a is a positive 4. So think back to what it means when a is a positive. It means it is going upwards, so you will have a minimum. Now you need to find that minimum value. So first you need to find x, which is your negative b over 2a. So 16 over 2 times 4, 16 over 8, which is 2. Now plug 2 into your equation. Once you solve that, you should have 984. So you have a minimum at 984. That's also your vertex. So identify the function's domain and range without graphing. Like all quadratic functions, the domain, your domain always is negative infinity to infinity. No matter what, in a quadratic function, your domain is negative infinity to infinity. So what changes is your range. We found the vertex is at 984. A is greater than 0, so the function is a minimum value at the vertex. So your range is your lowest y value all the way to your highest, which is going to be infinity. So 984. Make sure you answer the questions below and watch the next video. Next time we're going to talk about solving problems involving the maximum and minimums. We're going to look at word problems with maximum and minimum.